Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Blower Motor Wiring Harness. This blower motor wiring harness is for various GM trucks and SUVs, such as the Cadillac Escalade, Chevy Avalanche, Silverado or Sierra 1500, 2500, or 3500 pickup trucks, plus the Tahoe, Yukon Suburban, Yukon XL, and Hummer H2. Years do vary from 2007 to 2014, so check the list to confirm if this fits your truck or SUV. What your blower motor wiring harness does is it connects your truck's blower motor to the resistor or fan control module. Over time, the factory harness can fail, either melt on the wires, corrode at the harness, which will cause your AC to not work. The most common issue caused by a failed harness is either no air at all, or you are unable to adjust the speed of the air coming out of your vents. While this blower motor wiring harness is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish as was designed as a direct OEM replacement, thanks to the high quality construction throughout, plus the dual OEM plugs. Wires on this are also improved for longer life expectancy over the factory wires. Installation of this blower motor wiring harness is pretty easy. First, look under the dash on the passenger side behind the glove box. Locate the original wires, disconnect, and plug this one in. Remember, always disconnect your battery when working on anything electrical on your truck. If you have any questions about this blower motor wiring harness, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.